In part 2 of our invoice video series, we'll go over how to review and check the status of service invoices within the application. So from the dashboard, go to Admin and then Invoices, and this will show all of the invoices uploaded for your organization. You'll see a handful of information pertaining to each invoice, such as the provider invoice number, equipment number, location, and more. If you scroll to the right, you can also see the payment and coverage status. It's important to review the coverage status to know if any action is needed from you. This screenshot will show all possible statuses. So under review means that our Equip's operations team is processing the invoice and there's no action needed from you at the moment. If the status is paid, the invoice is covered by Equips and we've sent payment to the provider. Denied or partially covered means that you must pay the provider directly for the invoice. We list the amount due to the provider here. Our operations team processes and reviews invoices daily, so continue to check the invoice page within the app for status updates. As always, please reach out to your account advisor with any questions.